If you're seeing Epic Games error II-E1003, don't worry, because in this video I'll walk you through the fastest fixes, step by step, so you can get back into the Epic Games launcher and continue downloading or launching your games. This error is usually tied to a connection issue, a launcher problem, a server hiccup, or even a download path that needs to be changed. So before you panic, we're going to go through the simplest fixes first and work our way up. And if this tutorial helps, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes like this. It really helps the channel, and it lets me know to make more helpful videos for you. Let's start with the first and most important step. Close the Epic Games launcher completely. If it's already open, make sure you exit it fully, not just minimize it to the taskbar. Then restart your PC. A simple restart can clear temporary glitches, reset the launcher session, and fix small background issues that may be causing the II-E1003 error. After your computer comes back on, open the Epic Games launcher again and see if the problem is gone. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is your internet connection. This step is more important than a lot of people realize, because Epic Games needs a stable connection to verify downloads and communicate with its servers properly. Try using a stable network if possible, and avoid switching between weak Wi-Fi signals. If you can, test another network or reconnect to your current one to make sure the connection is consistent. A shaky internet connection can easily trigger this type of launcher error. Now let's move on to another common cause, VPNs. If you are using a VPN, disable it and try again. Sometimes a VPN can interfere with Epic Games services, especially when the launcher is trying to connect, authenticate, or download content. Even if the VPN seems harmless, it can change your region or routing in a way that causes errors like II-E1003. So turn it off completely, restart the launcher, and check whether the issue is fixed. If you still have the problem after that, the next fix is to change your download location inside Epic Games Launcher. Open the launcher, go into Settings, then look for Downloads. From there, change the download location to a different folder or drive if possible. Sometimes the current path can be corrupted, inaccessible, or causing conflicts with the launcher. Setting a new download location can refresh the install process and prevent the error from appearing again. Another very important step is to update the Epic Games launcher itself. If you're using an outdated version, it may have bugs or compatibility issues that trigger errors during startup or downloading. Make sure the launcher is fully updated, then restart it and test again. Updating the launcher can often fix hidden problems that aren't obvious at first glance. And if none of those steps work right away, there is one more possibility. It could simply be a temporary server issue on Epic's side. In that case, the best thing to do is wait a little while and try again later. Server-side problems can cause login errors, connection errors, and download failures, even when everything on your PC is set up correctly. So if you've already tried restarting, checking your internet, disabling your VPN, changing the download location and settings under Downloads, updating the launcher, give it some time and come back later. To quickly recap, the best order to fix Epic Games error II-E1003 is close the launcher, restart your PC, check for a stable internet connection, disable any VPN, change the download location and settings under Downloads, update the Epic Games launcher, and if needed, try again later in case it's a server issue. Following those steps should solve the problem in most cases. If this video helped you fix the error, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more gaming tutorials, and comment below if you want help with any other Epic Games issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.